Alrighty guys, today we're going to be looking at adding a custom shape to your LGP design, and this will be for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back on the program here. Now in the previous video we looked at adding a base shape. We had the rectangle and circle we're looking at. Now we're going to be looking at how can we add a custom shape. So first of all, you're going to obviously need a custom shape. So this you can do in your design program of choice. So perhaps it's Adobe Illustrator, maybe Inkscape, something on that line, something that can create vector shapes. Then you want to make that shape, import it, or if you can save it or export it as an AI, you can, I think, straight just import it then into the the light guided plate. Now something to keep in mind that is rather important is it needs to be a closed shape. So yeah, let me just close that. In any case, so it needs to be a closed shape. So if it's an open shape, it will automatically delete it as if it's not even usable. So then, as you can see, I've got the star I created. So I simply just dragged in a background image, traced it out, and exported this image inside this program. So I went to export, put it as AI, and then shape test. Then to open it or to create that as a base shape, what we want to do is we go to our actual LGP tool. Click that, open it, then we want to go to the system tab, so it's the third tab. Then under the create LGP outline, we want to go to other. So then I'm going to say import artwork, navigate to where your shape is located. We've got a nice little preview here. It gets a bit dark. If I zoom in here, you can see there's an actual star, shows you the preview. Then I say open, and then as you can see now we've got the shape in here. Now, like the rectangle and ellipse, we can also set the scale of this. So you'll see we still have the width and height and the lock ratio. Then if you've set it up the way you like it, you simply click apply, and then this will be your new base shape or outline. It is also rather simple, as you can see. And yeah, so just a quick recap: you need to make a shape in your design program of choice, export it as an AI or something that the program can read. If it is not AI, you can always import it as another graphics type, then export it out of our TruCUT RDWorks again. Yeah, and then go from there. And then yeah, then once you come in here, we want to go to under the ellipse and the rectangle. We're going to go to import artwork, navigate, locate it, set the scale, and click apply, and then it will be the new base shape. But yeah, I'm just going to cancel there for now. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here on the top right to the request a training video button, click it, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.